Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best flying ball spinner is probably one of the most mesmerizing gadgets I've ever come across. It's a flying orb that defies gravity, zipping and zapping through the air with a captivating glow. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a fidgeter, or just someone who appreciates cool toys, this spinner is guaranteed to grab your attention. Get ready to witness a spectacle of light and motion that's both fun and surprisingly addictive, perfect for all ages. Number 5. Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2025, Hand-Controlled Mini Drone. This is the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball, a high-tech, hand-controlled mini drone. It's designed for fun and easy operation, suitable for both indoor and outdoor play. Featuring a gyroscope and smart AI chip, it promises intelligent flight. Different throwing angles and speeds create various flight paths and boomerang effects. This cool gadget enhances hands-on skills and creativity. Made of high-grade ABS material, the lightweight body can withstand crashes. The propellers are safely enclosed, ensuring children's safety during play. Simply connect it to a USB connector for 25 minutes to fully charge. It offers 8 to 10 minutes of flight time. The LED indicator shows the charging status. You don't need a lot of space to enjoy it. It's perfect for the backyard or indoors, offering a smooth flight and boomerang effect. It's a great way to learn about physics. This hand-controlled drone is a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a perfect gift for kids, teenagers, adults, and the elderly. What we like. This Tikduck Flying Orb Ball boasts intelligent flight with a smart AI chip, offering diverse flight paths and boomerang effects. It's built with safe, enclosed propellers, perfect for worry-free play. If you're looking for a toy that combines fun with learning, this is a great choice. It's a fantastic way to introduce kids to physics and aerodynamics. What people say. The flying ball spinner is a fun toy that is easy to use. It has a cool design and is very entertaining. It is a great gift for kids and adults alike. Number 4. Flying Orb Ball, Blue, 2025 Upgraded. This flying orb ball offers various ways to play, encouraging kids to discover how it moves. With each throw, they can experience different play styles and the fun it brings. Designed for children aged 6 and up, this ball is perfect for family and friends. Kids can experiment with different ways to toss and catch it. This variety makes playtime more engaging. Made from PP material, it's both lightweight and built to last. The 360 degrees mesh protects the inner workings, and it stops automatically when it bumps into something, ensuring safe play. Compact and light, it charges via USB and fits easily in a backpack. You can use it both indoors and outdoors, letting kids play anywhere, anytime. This flying orb ball is a great gift for kids aged 6 to 12, including teens. It's perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or as a fun surprise. They're sure to love it. What we like. This flying orb ball offers multiple ways to play, encouraging kids to explore different flight styles. It's designed for interactive family fun, fostering group activities. If you like a toy that promotes family bonding and active play, this is the one. It's durable, lightweight, and perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. What people say. The flying ball spinner has a unique design and is easy to use. It is a fun toy for both kids and adults. The lights are very cool and it is a great gift idea. Number 3. Ciniffo Flying Orb Ball Toy 2025. This is a light-up, hand-controlled boomerang spinner. It's a mini drone toy that hovers like a cosmic globe. It's the perfect gift for kids and teens. The spherical design and powerful engine allow for various flight modes. It enhances children's hands-on skills and creativity. It's a fun way to learn about aviation principles. You can make it float, glide, and climb. Throw it like a boomerang, and it comes right back. Control the angle to change its path and unlock endless possibilities. It's made with a dense mesh and non-toxic ABS material. It's flexible, light, and impact-resistant. It automatically stops when it hits something, ensuring safe play. Suitable for kids over 6 and adults. Enjoy it at home, school, parties, or the office. It offers joyful entertainment for everyone. It's the most eye-catching toy for birthdays and holidays. It's a cool gift for kids on Easter, Christmas, and more. It comes with detailed instructions and videos. What we like. The Ciniffo flying orb ball lets you control the flight with rich flying skills, like a magic. It's designed with safety in mind, using non-toxic materials and intelligent protection. If you are looking for a toy suitable for both kids and adults, this is a great option. It's perfect for parties, offices, or just some fun at home. What people say. The flying ball spinner is a fun and easy-to-use toy. It has a cool design and is very entertaining. The lights are bright and colorful, making it visually appealing. Number 2. LEMATRIX Flying Orb Ball Toy. Introducing the LEMATRIX Flying Orb Ball Toy. This hand-controlled mini-drone is designed for endless fun. It's a perfect gift for kids and adults alike. This high-tech toy responds to your hands. Get close, and it flies in the opposite direction. Place your hand underneath, and it goes up. It's easy to start the fun. Made with non-toxic ABS material, it's lightweight and flexible. The propellers are safely inside, so there's no worry about injuries. It can withstand many crashes. It charges quickly via USB. A single charge takes just 25 minutes for 8 to 10 minutes of flight time. The LED indicator lets you know when it's charging and when it's ready to go. Enjoy this toy at parties, activities, or just for fun. You don't need a lot of space to play with it. It's a great gift for any occasion. If you have any questions, please contact us. We're here to help and provide a satisfactory answer. We are always ready to assist you. What we like. This LEMATRIX Flying Orb Ball is a hand-controlled drone that magically responds to your hand movements. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. If you want a toy that is easy to control and can be played anywhere, this is the one. It's a great gift for kids and adults alike, bringing endless fun to any occasion. What people say. They loved this toy and the hovering was so cool. It's a great interactive hovering toy that keeps our kids busy for a long time. It's easy enough that all 5 of them can make it work, with the older ones able to make it do tricks that the younger ones love to watch. Number 1. Flying Orb Ball 2025, Hover Boomerang Ball. This is the Flying Orb Ball. It's equipped with a smart chip, offering multiple flight modes. You can make it float, spin, or even boomerang back to you. It features 6 cool RGB lighting effects. It looks like a neon shooting star, making it stand out day or night. It's sure to catch everyone's eye. This flying ball has a unique globe-like design. It's made of durable ABS material and has undergone professional testing. The intelligent protection will stop it from flying when it hits something. This hand-controlled drone is light and easy to control. Enjoy endless fun with your kids, friends, or family. It's a great gift for all ages. It enriches hand-eye coordination and motor skills. It allows users to explore different skills and gameplay options. They won't easily get bored with it. It charges quickly via USB in about 20 minutes. It supports 30 minutes of non-continuous operation. If you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like. This flying orb ball offers multiple intelligent flight modes and cool lighting effects. The unique design and durable materials make it stand out. If you are looking for a toy that is both fun and visually appealing, you should consider it. It's perfect for family games, parties, and makes a great gift. What people say. The flying ball spinner is a fun and easy-to-use toy. It is very easy to control and can be used by anyone. The design is sleek and modern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.